Question 1. Negative divided by negative gives a positive. 36 divided by 12 is 3. Question 2. Round 0.0036 to one significant figure. The first significant digit is 3. The next digit is 6, so we have to round up. Final answer is 0.004. Question 3. Write 0.8 as a fraction. 8/10 is 8 over 10. Simplify, divide top and bottom by 2. Final answer is 4 over 5. Question 4. List all the factors of 28. Factors divide exactly. Go systematically. 1 and 28, 2 and 14, 4 and 7. So the full list is 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28. Question 5. Convert 60 kilos to tons. 1 ton is 1,000 kilos. So divide 60 by 1,000 and you will get 600 tons. Question 6. Find the range. Range is biggest number take away smallest number. 20 minus 8 gives 12. Question 7. 4 times 5 divide by 1. Multiply and divide left to right. 4 times 5 is 20, divided by 1 stays 20. Question 8. Simplify 7x plus 6x plus 2x. Combine like terms. Final answer is 15x. Question 9. Write 36 over 7 as a mixed number. 36 divided by 7 is 5, remainder 1. So the final answer is 5 and 1 over 7. Question 10. Negative divided by negative again gives a positive. 49 divided by 7 is 7. These are all 1-mark questions. Individually small, but together they can cost you a whole grade. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. If there are topics you are struggling with, please write in comments and wait for new videos.